Good morning, all my friends in 218. It's Miss Sarah today. We are going to get started with our morning meeting. So today, let's start with our good morning song like we do every morning. We need 2 hands in the air. Get your fingers ready. Let's get started. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Now remember, that song is really important for us because it teaches us how to ask questions and how to answer questions, right? One person is speaking and we wait till they are done, and that is when we can start answering them. Let's look at our calendar today, my friends. So yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Now let's look at our pattern down here. I have rainbow. What picture comes next in my pattern? Can you tell me? My pattern is rainbow, umbrella, rainbow, umbrella, rainbow, umbrella, rainbow, umbrella, rainbow, umbrella. Very good, you guys. So I'm going to draw my umbrella. Now we need to talk about the day. We had the number 14 yesterday. A 1 and a 4 together makes 14. So today, what is the next number? Let me think. I'm going to put my thinking hat on. So I'm going to use the strategy of counting to see what number comes next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The number 15. Today is the 15th. To make the number 15, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to put a 1 first. To make the number 15, we need 2 numbers. So I'm going to put the 1 first and then the number 5. 1 and 5 together makes the number 15. All right, friends, now it's time for us to say the date. Today is Wednesday, April 15, 2020. Very good. Now let's sing our calendar song. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. All right, now let's practice our Days of the Week song again. I'm going to play it and let's sing along.
7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week.
Okay, now let's look at our names.
Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week.
Alrighty, those are all of our songs for calendar. I am going to now talk about our activities of the day that are on the lesson plan on the McCormick website. One of our activities today is to count to 10 5 times in a row. So we're going to practice together. We're going to start with 1. We can even use our calendar to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it 1 time. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it again. That's 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 times. Now I'm going to do my 5th time counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Another activity today that I want you guys to talk about at home are what kinds of transportation there are. There is transportation that is in the air, like an airplane or a helicopter. There's transportation that goes on the ground. You can talk about cars, trucks, school bus, the city bus, motorcycles, bicycles. Those are all modes of transportation. And also things that go in the water. What do we use to travel in the water? We use boats, but there's different kinds of boats too. So that is something I want you guys to talk about. And what is your favorite? Do you like airplanes? Do you like boats, cars, trucks? And I want you guys to draw a picture of those, and I want you guys to send it to me if possible through our Remind app or email. You can also email it to me. If you have any questions today about our activities of the day, please reach out to me or Miss Lily and we'd be happy to help you. Bye guys, I'll see you later.